Hello. So just a quick note about checking your code into GitHub. So just to verify, let's see. So I have my homework 1 assignment is in a folder that lives inside my my github.io directory. So it should be your username.github.io, and then there should be a folder called homework 1 narrative, or whatever you want to call it, in the main repository, or the main, directory. And what that looks like is if I go, let's see, view in Finder. Okay, show in Finder. Oh, no, wrong way. Show in Finder. So what that looks like is, here's my folder. Your files are a little bit different than mine, but basically this is my GitHub folder, and then my homework 1 is right inside there. So when I go to GitHub Desktop, it notices that I've made a change to this file. I just sort of made a change so you could see. And it's basically saying anything in red is something that's been taken away, and anything in green has been added for the purpose of this. I literally just deleted and added some lines. So to check in your code, locally first, what you want to do is add something to this field. So I'm just going to say made updates. This is just a note to yourself about what is in this this check-in. So it doesn't really matter what you put, it is required. This field is required. This description field is not, but make sure you put just something in there. So then I'm going to say commit to master. Master is sort of the branch that I'm working in. And once I do that, it'll give me this message that says there's no local changes right now. There's no changes over here. And then there's this blue box that says I can push one commit to the origin remote. And that's basically going to push it up to github.com where your site is live. So I'm going to push this. And then let's wait for this to finish. Okay, so then it's a matter of finding the URL, and that's the tricky part. So let's look at this again. So hw1-narrative is the name of the directory, and I have an index file. So hopefully if I put that name in, it will show up. So let's try that. So I'm going to go to alanareese.github.io. That's where my homepage is. We'll just go there first to look at it. So there's my homepage. It looks different than yours, but okay. And then it's hw1-narrative. And if we go here, hopefully we will find the index page. So this is the link that you'll put. It's basically, this is sort of like the default URL, and then this is the directory that you just made for the homework. Okay, so yeah, so this is the link that you will put in your homework stuff. If you're still having trouble, it's fine. We'll figure it out tomorrow in class, but just give it your best shot, and we'll see you tomorrow morning. Thanks. Bye.